to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to download Firebase Studio for Windows 11. So you just want to install the Firebase Studio on your Windows 11 PC in 2026. So first you want to head to the official Firebase Studio and website to ensure you're downloading the latest and the safest version. So you just want to search up Firebase Studio in Windows or whatever you have, it doesn't care. So I'm gonna press on the first one. So this is the link or website, which is firebase.studio. And then after that, once there, click on the Windows installer, which will download as an X file. So I'm gonna download this one right here. Then just want to sign in with some details. After that, so with that, the minimum requirements is that Windows 11 with the latest updates and at least 4 gigabytes of RAM is recommended. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll choose your installation folder and optional components along the way. And then once you've installed it, launch Firebase Studio, sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to manage your Firebase projects seamlessly.